So hello everyone, my name is Luis Sanchez Diaz. I'm assistant professor of physics and I'm here with Chaotic Careers. I studied in Mexico, my bachelor, my master, and my PhD in Mexico. And when I was doing my PhD, I went to a conference in California, and someone looked at my work and they said, "Hey, I like your work. Do you want to come with us? Work with us in Oak Ridge." Actually, in Oak Ridge is 2 hours away. And that's the reason when I finished my PhD, I started working in the Oak Ridge National Lab, and I worked there like 5 years. And I was planning to go back to Mexico, but I met my wife here. So we bought a house in Oak Ridge, and we started to live there. And then when my contract finished in Oak Ridge, I had to find a job. So my first job teaching was in UT Martin, that's 5 hours away from Oak Ridge. And then after that, I found a job here in UT Chattanooga, and I feel like I'm at home. I really like here. I still live in Oak Ridge, so I drive 2 hours every day, but I really like here. I really feel like it's like a home. I really feel like when I was in my university in Mexico, I feel like I was part of something, and here I feel the same. I feel like it's my second home. Well, they think about the math part, like the equations. They see, oh no, I had to solve this bunch of equations. They think it was very difficult. But in reality, especially physics, it's not that difficult. Physics is more a way to think, a way to solve problems, observing what is happening, finding a pattern, and then finding a theory what is happening. For example, a long time ago, people see the stars, how they move, and they find out, oh, maybe it's because the Earth is in the center and the planets move around. But later, make observations, people find out that the sun was the center of the universe, and that's the solar system we have right now, the model. And that one, at the beginning, didn't have any math, but there was just in physics. Just think about observing things and come up with a theory. That's physics, It's not only math, it's more than that. I think it's very good, showing that we are more than just people in a desk, have lives, and the way physics thing is try to observe things and try to come, oh, maybe this happened for this reason. In my case, for example, I work in fluids, mechanics, and viscosities. So every time I see liquids, I try to say, oh, what's the viscosity of this liquid? Why does it behave this way? So it's always in my mind, viscosity. I like that show because that thing reflects what we really are.
So if you had to say you were most like one character from that show, who do you think you'd be?
I think I would be Leonard. I think Leonard would be. Sheldon is something believes is genius, and I don't think I'm that person. I think I'm more like a Leonard. I think I'm more, trying to have a life, but also at the same time be a physicist. So I think Leonard is something between being a total nerd and something being a normal person. Well, I guess I started in high school. We're always looking where we are good. And I guess when I was a kid, I was think about to be good in sports, but I never was good. And at the end, I found out I was good doing math, and good doing chemistry and physics and biology. And one professor told me, you should go study physics. And that's what I did, and I'm here. But I think when I studied in bachelor, I think that's the one that really fall in love with physics, because like I tell you, it's a way to think. It's a way to visualize the world. It's not just math equations. You can, be always observing what things happening, why things falling, why things are so slow, what things are getting hot, what things are, why the planets move in a specific way. So that's the way to think in physics, observing everything and come out with something. Well, I guess they know everything. I think some students know that I like cats, so sometimes I see random cats in my tests because I think they know I like cats. I like to fix in cars. If I wasn't teaching or doing physics, probably I would be working in a garage. I like cars, and I think I like to fix it. I have a Camaro. I haven't time to fix it, but someday I will fix it. So that's one of my goals, fixing cars. No, but the science, I think is wanting everyone to know that it's not scary. It's not everything about math. So I think everyone can do science. You still have to observe and come up with ideas, observing things. You see something that is behaving the same time over and over. Maybe there is a formula, or maybe there is a reason why it's happening. We can see it every day. Why right now it's not raining, or why right now it's getting too hot. So people observe things for years and years and come out as the global warming, right? So there is something that in science is there. Not everything is math. So just go there and observe and explore, and you will find out something good, Just don't give up, I guess. Yeah, you can reach everything you want. I would like to live that you can reach your dreams, so that you can, like, the hard work take you somewhere, and I don't know, just that. It is hard sometimes too, especially when you speak another language and you come from another country. It takes some time, but I think I feel very happy to be here, because I think, especially UT Chattanooga, I think they opened their arms and they helped me to build my career, and I'm still working in that. But I think I can say that UT Chattanooga, I think, is a great place to study here, and you can find good professors, good people here, and we all care about you.
Hi everyone! Thank you so much for tuning into this month's episode of the Chaotic Career Series, where we got to sit down and speak with physicist Dr. Luis Sanchez Diaz here at the UTC Chemistry and Physics Department. All of us here at the Center for Career and Leadership Development hope that this video inspires you to follow your passions so that you can fulfill your goals, or even the goals that you never saw coming. If you have any questions, or you just want to chat with someone about what opportunities are available to you, come see us down in our office in the UC. Now, with all that out of the way, until next time, stay chaotic, monks.